So I'm Katrina. I'm in the final stages of my PhD, so that's 3.5 years. And the majority of my PhD and the work that's been done has been very much lab-based, very much all-encompassing, lots of long hours in the lab. And the samples I've worked with have came from the Bay of Bengal. What we get is this, it just looks like mud to anyone, but it's very precious mud. From this mud, it has lots of information about the ability for us to reconstruct past climates. So what we do with this mud is we wash it, and from washing it, we wash it through a sieve, and eventually the final product is lots of small sediment. And within this sediment is small microscopic fossils. So I've spent lots of long hours looking down the microscope, and really what I am basically doing is picking out this tiny microscopic fossil called a foraminifera. I've washed about 250 of these throughout the course of my PhD. So we can gain lots of information by studying the chemistry of these shells. I grew up in Scotland, and I think from a very young age you're quite aware of the natural world. I think being exposed to the mountains on family trips, I've always, I guess, grown up with this love of the natural world around us. And also, I guess at school we were kind of the generation where climate change became a really big thing. In the 90s we had the ozone layer and lots of information about the aerosols and how bad they were for the ozone, and subsequently during the 2000s till now it's been very much focused on greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide. So I've been very aware of climate change, and I guess my love for the natural world, paleoclimate, study of past climate seemed quite a natural progression to kind of combine my interests for the world around us, and then also the fear of where Earth potentially might be with regards to climate change.